gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Today, I'm taking a break and heading out with two newly acquired flagship selfie camera phones to capture the beauty of Qingdao over the next 24 hours. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max and the Huawei Pura 90 Pro. All right, let's kick things off with the sunrise over 12 figures.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
First, let's talk about the Pro Max's camera setup. It features a 50-megapixel dynamic main camera, a massive 1 by 1.28-inch sensor, and a 10-step physical adjustable aperture. On paper, those specs might not immediately blow you away, but wait until you see what it can actually do. Take a look at these sample shots. Backlit portraits and backlit scenery are some of the hardest situations for any smartphone camera to handle, but the Pro Max performs beautifully. Its large RYYB sensor captures highlights and shadows with excellent balance. You can clearly see the texture in the green leaves and the details in the red petals. The contrast between light and dark feels smooth and natural. This is exactly what balanced imaging should look like. Every year, tons of people come here to photograph the main teaching building, and most of the pictures end up looking pretty similar. But today, I'm going to show you how to capture it in a way that feels more textured and unique. All right, let's do it. Hello, would you mind taking a photo for me? Sure. Can you use my phone? Of course. Great. Let's take one. And now another. To be honest, I usually get a little nervous when someone asks me to take their picture. Framing the shot, guiding the pose, finding the right angle, it can feel like a lot. But today feels different because this phone has something really useful. Pose recommendation. It quickly analyzes the surroundings, recognizes your posture, understands the scene, and then gives you pose suggestions based on what's trending right now. It makes the whole process much easier. And even after the photo is taken, if you feel like something still isn't perfect, X-Mage Selfie gives you a complete one-stop editing experience. From AI-assisted composition and pose guidance to one-tap portrait enhancement, it handles everything. It's basically like carrying your own photographer and retoucher in your pocket. Look at the red wall in these shots. The red isn't exaggerated or filter-heavy. It looks like the true color of aged brick. That's thanks to the second-generation Red Maple original color imaging system, which reproduces colors incredibly naturally, even in difficult lighting. There's another fun feature I want to try. Want to see it? Let's go for it. So far, everything we've shot has been still. Now, let's create something more dynamic. I'll count to 3 and you jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! And just like that, no stabilizer, no editing software, the phone creates a dynamic photo with a natural 3D effect straight out of the camera. That's one of the most fun features of the Pura 90 series, 3D dynamic photos. Imagine uploading this to social media. It instantly stands out. One of the toughest parts of traveling is dealing with crowds everywhere. But here's a simple trick if you want your photos to pop. Switch on portrait mode on the Pro Max and use a wider aperture to blur the background. That way, no matter how busy the scene is, you stay the focus of every frame. What's really impressive is how natural the background blur looks. The edge separation feels clean and realistic without looking artificial. For people who love taking photos but often struggle to get that perfect result, this solves a huge problem. The Kirin 9030C chip isn't just powering the phone behind the scenes, it's deeply integrated into the imaging system too. And because of that, mobile photography really feels like it has entered a whole new selfie-focused era. Right now, we're at Huawei, where the lighting is much dimmer than before. This is where the variable aperture really starts to shine. The Pro Max supports 10 levels of physical aperture adjustment, from f1.4 all the way to f4.0. That flexibility gives you much more control over depth of field and background blur. It also allows more light into the sensor when needed, which helps reduce noise and improves image clarity. And in low light scenes like this, you can really see the difference.
Now that spring is here, it's the perfect season for close-up photography. Flowers, leaves, tiny details everywhere you look. And this is exactly where the Pro Max really shines, thanks to its 50-megapixel macro telephoto lens. It can focus from as close as just 5 centimeters away, which means details like flower stamens or even the texture of leaf veins come through beautifully sharp and clear. What I showed you a moment ago was footage captured using the Pro Max at 20x video zoom, and honestly, the stability at 20x is seriously impressive. I filmed it handheld the whole time, and the result still looks incredibly smooth. As the orange sea slowly blended into the sunset, even the distant skyline stayed clear inside the frame. Fun fact, not many people know this, but the orange sea is actually one of Qingdao's natural landscapes. This 20x telephoto video lens is useful for way more than sunsets too. It's amazing for bird watching, and it can even work like a magnifying glass at an aquarium. No matter how far you zoom in, everything still feels surprisingly sharp and detailed. It's incredibly fun to use. And if you take it to a concert, it almost feels like you're sitting in the front row no matter where your seat actually is. And if you want to push mobile photography even further, there's also a dedicated teleconverter kit available. It comes with an external protective phone case, a wireless grip, and a 3.3x optical lens attachment, bringing the equivalent focal length up to 324 millimeters. The small handle is also really practical because it doubles as a wireless remote shutter, which means when taking group photos, you don't need to ask random strangers to help anymore. But honestly, watching the orange sea from Qingdao isn't only about the sunset itself, it's also about that movement, the feeling of the waves crashing against the rocks. With the Pura 90 Pro's 50-megapixel super focus macro telephoto lens, we were able to capture those energetic moments beautifully. Every splash and every tiny water droplet comes through with amazing detail. Night portrait photography on smartphones is usually tricky, especially when trying to balance the person in front with the background behind them, but the Pro Max handles it really well. Thanks to the main camera working together with the real-time image processing of the Kirin 9030S chip, the overall balance between highlights and shadows looks excellent. I use the street lights as my exposure reference, and even then, my skin tone still looks very natural. What impressed me even more is the background. 5-color square behind me remains clear and detailed, while the noise control is also well managed. And just like that, my full day exploring Qingdao comes to an end. So now the big question, which of these two Pura 90 models would I choose? If you love photographing concerts, sports events, or distant scenes like sunrise and sunset, then the Pro Max is definitely the one to go for. Its 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, especially combined with 20x telephoto video, feels like one of the strongest setups available in its category. But if you're more into everyday photography, capturing quick moments around you, especially details in nature like flowers or moving grass, then the Pura 90 Pro makes a lot of sense. It comes with the same 50-megapixel main camera, the same 10-stop variable aperture, and that macro telephoto lens with a minimum 5-centimeter focusing distance, helping you capture details you might normally miss. 24 hours in Qingdao feels short, but a great photo can stay with you for a long time. And that's probably the biggest impression the Huawei Pura 90 series left on me. It helps you preserve everyday life in a more beautiful way. Whether you choose the Pro Max or the Pura 90, every shot feels like a chance to discover a different kind of beauty around you. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.